Welcome to Module 1, Lesson 5, the 8-part Google Ads audit. Optimization is about making your campaigns more effective and efficient so that you can ultimately drive a greater return from your Google Ads activities. How can you ever hope to achieve that if you don't know how to find the hole that's sucking profits? This is where an audit comes in. I'm going to walk you through my entire 8-part Google Ads audit. This is the exact same process that I've used to manage accounts spending close to $1 million per month on Google Ads, and it's the same thing I teach my team at AdConversion. I want to start by prefacing that audits take work, and you need to be willing to dive into your account and spend the time polling, formatting, and analyzing the data. So without further ado, here's the 8-part Google Ads audit. Part number 1 is account review. Part number 2 is campaign review. Part number 3 is ad group review. Part number 4 is keyword review. Part 5 is ads and extensions review. Part 6 is landing page review. Part 7 is budget and performance review. And finally, Part 8 is visibility review. You're going to learn how to go through any Google Ad account, regardless of size, with a fine tooth and comb from top to bottom and identify exactly what needs to be done. I promise you, after implementing this process, your new problem will be not what can I do, but how do I choose what to do first? So to help you follow along and put this audit into action, I actually put together a Google Ads audit checklist that has each step listed out. So here's what it actually looks like in practice. So if you navigate here into your course workbook, I've got the Google Ads audit checklist for you. Just scroll down here and you can see this is a screenshot of what it looks like. But if you open it up here, it's also in the description box down below underneath this video. You can open up the 8-part Google Ads audit checklist. I'm just going to zoom in here to make it a little bit larger so you can see. And we've got each section. So we've got account review, which is the first part, campaign review, ad group review, keyword, ads and extensions, landing page, budget and performance, visibility. So we're going to cover each one throughout the rest of this course. But just to quickly get you familiar with the spreadsheet, it's pretty straightforward, but you've got your tasks here, the title of the tasks, any notes to yourself. So as you're going through this audit, if you just want to, make a note of something like, oh, I noticed that they have this time zone versus this one, you can drop any notes. Priorities, we'll cover this later on like how to, once you go through this whole audit, you're going to have so many freaking things that you could potentially do. This column is going to come into place to kind of help prioritize those different recommendations. If you're doing this with somebody else on your team who's owning certain tasks of the audit, if it's just you, then you can assign it to yourself. When did you start this task? When is it due? What's the percentage of the task complete? So is it 100% done? Is it 50% done? You can use this as a way of just staying organized. Your action item for this lesson is to make a copy of the Google Ads audit checklist and decide on an account that you'd like to audit so you can follow along with the next lessons. I hope you received a ton of value so far. Please share AdConversion with your colleagues or leave us a testimonial. We appreciate any help spreading the word. I'll see you in the next one.